The Siglent SDS6000A oscilloscope can help you achieve more in today's challenging R&D environment. The modern form factor balances ease of use and desk space. The large size and high-resolution touchscreen provides intuitive control and clear information for faster debugging. The SDS6000A is also easily customized. Simply tap the icon to add a new trace and edit the label name on screen. Then choose your favorite color for the trace. Vertical, time base, and trigger settings can be easily adjusted via gestures, quick menu, or hard key buttons. Channel settings can be copied to another channel or quickly applied to analysis tools. Traces can be hidden, but still used for math functions. An 8 megapoint FFT ensures high sampling rate and outstanding resolution in the frequency domain. Up to 4 active math traces and a complex formula editor deliver solutions for demanding calculation requirements. The SDS6000A features an excellent sample rate and memory depth. Press one button to open the vertical and horizontal zoom box. Then drag it to the details you are interested in. The high waveform update rate eases glitch and intermittent signal capture. With 2 trigger zones, you can easily trigger on what you see. Color grading and persistence display clearly differentiates intermittent from constant signals. For further analysis, statistics and histogram functions in the advanced measurement mode are helpful. The trend or track plots help visualize changes with time. Segmented memory reduces acquisition dead time to less than 1.3 microseconds, and the history function captures multiple trigger events in memory, like frames in a movie, so that you can easily review each trigger event individually or play them back at a set rate. 12 different analysis tools can be accessed quickly using the top menu. Pass-fail frames can also be stored in history, and the hardware-based mask test can evaluate up to 18,000 trigger events per second. The SDS6000A includes I2C, CAN, LIN, RS-232 UART, and SPI serial protocol triggering and decoding, as well as options for CAN-FD, I2S, MIL1553B, FlexRay, CENT, and Manchester options. The power analysis option improves efficiency by letting the scope perform the numerous calculations required. With standard Bode plot, power supply control loop response can be measured without an expensive network analyzer. Accessories include a newly designed active differential probe for high-speed circuit design and signal integrity measurements. Eye diagram and jitter analysis are also supported. Measurements on multiple eye and jitter parameters are provided, and mask test on the eye diagram is also available. The iconic Quick Print button is also incorporated to quickly save results. Multi-language help is available for engineers from anywhere. Contact Siglent today to find out how the faster UI response, better front-end design, and abundant analysis tools of the SDS6000A series of oscilloscopes can help you to achieve more every day.